Okay. Okay, children. Now I'll explain you one poem. Huh? Page number 97 of your honeycomb. All of you open. Yeah. Now see, it is about a fan. Fan, you know? Is there a fan in your house? Ceiling fan. Hmm? See, is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? In your house, you see, I am having here in class. Is the fan quiet or noisy? Is the fan making any noise or is it quiet? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan. If it is making noise, that means it is relative of whom? Of the talking fan. Talking fan means fans don't talk. But when they are not proper or there is some problem with it, they make noise. Okay? In this poem which you are going to read, see now. Once there was a talking fan. One fan was there, but it was talking. Vato karto હતો, okay? Electrical his chatter. What type of chatter he was doing? Not like us. Electrical. I couldn't quite hear what it said. I couldn't understand what it said. And I hope it doesn't matter. No problem. I don't understand, it's okay. Because one day somebody oiled. Someday somebody came and put some oil in it. Oil na there will be no noise, no? His little whirling motor. In his little whirling means round and round giant motor, in that they put some oil. And all the mystery was spoilt. All the mystery was spoilt. He ran as still as water without making any noise. The fan started running. Written by Mort Rubin. Now, fans don't talk, but it is possible to imagine that they do. What is it then? That sounds like the fans chatter. Now, this I'll send you a PDF, children. So, PDF you have to copy compulsory. Otherwise, you will not be able to write your question papers in the exam when I send you. So, fill. And I am starting this lesson, chapter 7 also, along with this. Okay? See, this will be now chapter 7. Chapter 7. The invention of Vita Monk. The invention of Vita Monk. Okay? It's page number 99. All of you open page 99. See, who are the oldest people you know? Oldest means Sauthi Mota, Ruth. What are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village? And how old are they? These all you have to find out. Ask your elders. Dada ne puchso to kaise tamne? Dadi will also know. Have you ever wished that you were older? Do you feel કે હું બી મોટો હોત તો? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Do you wish oh હું જલ્દી જલ્દી મોટો થઈ જાઉં? Do you wish that? Okay, the invention of Vita Wonk. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. He is telling he has invented something. And if he gives this to somebody, people will become young. Old people are young, nana થઈ જાય. But Wonka Vita is too strong. But Wonka Vita is liquid, some medicine I think. Then if somebody, it is so strong that some people disappear. અદ્રશ્ય થઈ જાય. When somebody drinks it, they disappear. Hmm? Because their age becomes minus age 0. Now one person actually becomes minus 87, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Oh, 87 years back Chaturya. Now he has to come back, so he has to wait for 87 years. Fine story, listen everybody. Huh? Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. So Willy Wonka has to invent a new thing. Jo invent કરે છે liquids આપે છે. Yeah. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. I rolled up my sleeves ઊંચી કરી and I started to work. Once again I squeezed my brain ચલાવું છું, મગજ. Searching for the new recipe. I wanted something new recipe. I had to create age એટલે ઉંમર. I have to create age to make people old. Huh? Old, older and oldest. Old, older, oldest. Ha ha, I cried. For now the ideas were beginning to come. Now new ideas are coming. What are they? What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? The brain is working. Huh? So page number 99 is completed. Okay? Now I'll explain you the next period. So all of you be ready. It's very nice. Okay, bye children.